Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and problems on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Here with us today we have a Samsung S24 Plus smartphone, and this device does have the Google account lock enabled because, as we can see here, as we're going through the initial setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that it was factory reset, and to continue we have to either verify the previous security screen PIN code that was used, or if we tap on use my Google account instead, it'll pull up the second screen that lets us know pop out the SIM tray there, that it was reset, and the other option is to sign in with the Google account that was previously used on the device. So over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers asking for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or also, unfortunately, a lot of times these days, someone will buy a used device from someone on the internet and it turns out to be a scam. So after the purchase, the buyer discovers the device is locked, and obviously they're not going to have any of the previous user's login info, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in that case since it was a fraudulent transaction. So we're making this video here to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this model without having to have the previous user's login information. The process is something that we do directly to the phone while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we did here with this one. So actually, as I've been speaking, I was running our unlock program on the device that goes ahead and takes care of the lock for us. Now that that's finished up and the phone has restarted, we should be able to see that we can get all the way through the initial setup steps without running into that Google lock page. So we're going to go through everything here step by step. We agreed to the terms and conditions. We're not going to set up with another device. We are going to proceed on from Wi-Fi here. And there's some more setup that it has to do. We're not copying any apps or data. And then this is the screen where the Google lock normally would have appeared, but as you can notice now, it's changed to where it's prompting for any Google account, and we actually even have the option to create a brand new one if we want to. We're going to skip that for now just to be able to get through the rest of the setup steps as quick as possible, so we can keep this video short. Oh, there we go. So we are all the way through the initial steps now. We can see that we have the home screen loaded up. We have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and it is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. So while we're here, I'm going to pop into the settings and go down to About Phone to show you exactly what we're working with. So under that section, we can indeed see that we have an S24 Plus, and then that model number there, the SM-S926U. That's the model number of basically all of the US carrier versions of the S24 Plus. So if you have one of these S24 Pluses that has the FRP lock enabled and need help getting that removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our contact info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we did here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.